Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English unit number 6, page number 84. Students, now let us start topic transitional devices. Transitional devices are words or phrases that link ideas together. They ensure that sentences or paragraphs are connected to each other in a smooth way and don't sound abrupt. Transitional devices include words like therefore, moreover, additionally, similarly, in addition to, in comparison to, as a result, although, otherwise, etc. Next topic, asking questions using WH words. The WH words why, where, what, who, when. The answers to the questions using do, did, or does all begin with yes or no. The WH question words allow for a wider range of answers including reasons, explanations, and opinions. The question word goes at the front of the question. For example, question number 1, when does he visit his mother? Simple present verb in the question. Answer, he visits his mother every Tuesday. Simple present verb in the answer. Next, question number 2, why did you go to London? Simple past verb in the question. Answer, I went to London because I wanted to see the red double-decker buses. Simple past verb in the reply. Students, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. I hope you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.